Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use Calendly for appointment. Alright, so now here we are in Calendly, and as you can see, I am currently logged in. So you want to make sure first that you are logged in, or if you didn't have an account, you register your account using your Google or some other methods right there in the registration. And once you're here, in order for you to make an appointment right here in Calendly, is that you need to click on new event type right here. And then from here, you're going to schedule a one-on-one, a group one, collective, or a round robin right here, depending on what you need for your event or for your appointment. But in this example, we'll just be going into one-on-one right here. And then you can choose a host. You can go for yourself or for others if you want to. But in my case, I only have mine. So I'm going to choose mine, click on next after that. And then from here, you would be able to see your event name. You can even assign a color for it for organization purposes. Name your event sample appointment right there. And then you can select the duration right here, depending on the estimation of the duration of your meeting, on how long it would take, and your location right here. You can go for Zoom, phone call, or some other options right here. You would have these options also. In this one, we'll just go for Google Meet and then click on continue. And then after that, you will be taken into this page. So you can select a date and time, and you can select your settings right here. You can modify them as much as you want. So in my case, I'll just go select for 14 and then the time right here. So I'm just gonna go for 10 a.m. right there. And then from here, it's all good now. And by the way, you can also choose your time zone right here. So if you're in a different country and it is indicated here is a different time, then you can just change it right here. And then right here, you can check your details. So your event details, host and invitees. You want to make sure that this one is checked right here so that you would have a guest into your appointment right here, which is a one-on-one event. And then your scheduling settings right here. You can also select this and you would have your buffer time, minimum notice, and so on right here. In my case, I'll just leaving it be since it's already good for me. And now our booking page options right here, you want to click on that, and then you would have this invitee questions right here. So you can ask questions to your invitee automatically and they can just answer it right away. So you can click on add new question, and then you can prompt a question, and the answers right here. You have one line, multiple lines, and so on. You also have the confirmation page right here. So yeah, this is basically the first thing that they will see when they open the page. And then the next one is communications. So right here, this is where you can send automatic communications for your events. So you can go email reminder, text reminders, email follow-up, and so on. Right here on Calendly, this is very handy, especially if you're having a corporate event or call right here in Calendly. So I suggest that you do this right here as a reminder that the meeting is fast approaching. And now that is basically it. So once you have set all of this up, then you can click on done. And then right here, we now have the sample appointment. And then from here, you can click the share button, or you can just copy the link right here on this tab right here. And then all you have to do is share it to your invitees, and then they would be able to get into this appointment right here. So this is how it would look like right here when you share it into your invitees. So I'm just going to paste that. And then from here, you would be able to see it just like this one right here. They would be able to see the time and the date right here of the meeting. So that is basically it on how you can do appointments in Calendly.